What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to contact Facebook customer support. So the easiest way probably is through email, and the email address for Facebook customer support is support@fb.com. So that's the easiest method because if you go to the Facebook app and you want to go to the help center, so go to the personal photo at the bottom right corner and scroll a bit, and then I'll find the help center. So you'll find articles here concerning many issues, so like account settings, adjust your account settings. So it'll give me like many options to articles that can help me with my issue. However, if I want to contact them directly, the easiest way is through the email that I showed you at the beginning of the video.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.